Okay, good morning to all of you, and thank you for joining us today to learn how to make our weekly BNI online meetings pleasurable, productive, and most importantly, profitable. I want to let everyone know here that we are going to be recording this presentation. But before we get started, I have two questions for you. How many of you would like to experience an online BNI meeting where all the members are alert, laser focused, and attentively listening to your weekly presentations and excited to do so? So excited that they're actually writing down the referral you requested. Now, if I can show you a way to do that, would that not be a pretty cool addition to your weekly meetings? That's the thumbs up sign, right? Okay. My name is Mark Brevis, and my topic is, are they listening, or how to make your BNI online meetings fun and interactive? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and we're going to have a little fun simultaneously. I promise not to bore you. First, a little history. We've been participating in BNI Online since March 2020. And at first, it might have been fun because it was different. We didn't have to leave home. We could basically run a comb through our hair, throw a professional top on, attend a meeting in our pajama bottoms, and that was good. But now we're a year and a half later, and something called Zoom fatigue is setting in. People are still at the meetings. The lights are still on, but as the saying goes, not everyone is home. Are you finding your meetings starting to look like this? Now, wouldn't it be great to turn those meetings into something like this? Yes, I'm going to show you how you can turn your fatigue-riddled attendees into happy BNI onliners, and it's easy, fun, takes just a little time, and best of all, it is free. Do I have your attention? Okay, let's do it. First thing I want you to do is download the chat list, the list of all attendees in the chat. Download it, and remember, we're all fantastic BNI members, and that means being ready at all times. Ready for what? For an abbreviated BNI meeting, that's what. Specifically, we're going to jump to the weekly presentation part of the meeting. I want you to introduce yourself, present your weekly ask. Remember, you'll only have 30 seconds. And finally, write down the asks of your fellow attendees because you may be asked to recite them in front of everyone here. So you had better be ready. Does anybody have any questions? No? Good. Okay. Remember, you have 30 seconds. Specific is terrific, and we're going to kick things off with Bob.
Good morning, BNI Founders Chapter. I'm Bob Helving from Airtro Heating and Air Conditioning, the HVAC contractor in the group. Do you have an older building, either a home or business, that you can never get comfortable? Today's ductless mini splits give us the ability to deliver comfort in ways never before possible. From historic homes to loft conversions to server rooms to awkward remodels. Many systems or many structures are challenging to get just the right amount of heating and cooling. If you'd like to find out more on how we have solutions to these problems, call us at Airtro. We're your one-stop solution for all your indoor comfort needs.
Thanks, Bob. Connie.
Good morning. Connie Snyder-Baker with Keller Williams Real Estate and the Baker and Snyder team. We are a husband and wife real estate team specializing in the sale and purchase of residential and residential income properties throughout all of Southern California. I'm asking for an introduction to your neighbors, family members, friends that may be considering selling a property, a future purchase, or perhaps just have questions about their current home value. I'm Connie Snyder-Baker with Keller Williams Real Estate, Baker and Snyder team. Thank you.
Perfect. David.
Good morning, BNI. This is David with ADT's Custom Home Services. Today, my ask would be for anyone you know, or yourself perhaps, who's looking for the latest in home security for either their house or their small business, if they happen to be a business owner. Anything in between, we can help them with that. We have the best in customer service, a client consultant-based relationship. So if that's what you're looking for, send them my way, David with ADT Custom Home Services.
Thanks, David. Desmond.
Good morning, BNI. I'm Desmond Chung, life and long-term care professional from New York Life. One of the greatest benefits for using your life insurance while you're alive is that it's tax-free money. With the trillions of dollars the government gave out during this pandemic, many believe that to pay off that debt, income taxes will rise. Now is the time to build those tax-free money assets like life insurance. I'd like to be introduced to tax advisors and CPAs so I can support their clients with minimizing their tax liability today and in the future. Once again, I'm Desmond Chung, life and long-term care professional from New York Life.
Thanks, Desmond. Jeanette.
Do you know how you feel in your favorite outfit? What if your home could make you feel like that every day? I'm Jeanette Chasworth, the Color Whisperer, full service intuitive interior design. And I'm here to help homeowners take the stress out of construction and make all their design decisions with confidence. I'm introducing my new online program. It's bit.ly/home queries. That's QUERRIES. And my ask is for home remodelers, builders, and realtors. Thank you.
Thanks, Jeanette. Josh.
Good morning, everyone. Josh Fisher with Everything Computer Service, your certified computer and technology expert. Now, the most important thing on your computer is the data. And if you don't have a 3-2-1 backup plan, you aren't prepared. By 3-2-1, you have to have at least 3 copies, 2 of which are on cold storage, and 1 of them is off-site. If you don't have that and you're curious about getting it set up, don't be nervous. Call Everything Computer Service.
Thank you, Josh. Martin.
Hi, everyone. Martin Medina with I Think Business Academy, small business expert and strategist, asking, you listen for business owners complaining about not having enough time. Interestingly, the solution is not so much the chaos or all the people screaming for their attention, but rather the owner's inability to control their own time, which is the first thing we work with our clients on, control of their time and productivity, what we call controllability. So if you hear any business owners complaining, let me know. We'll get them back on track.
Thanks, Martin. Rico.
Good morning. My name is Rick. I'm with Rudy's Plumbing. We take care of water, sewer, and gas from utilities all the way up to the fixtures. When was the last time you hugged your water heater? Hug your water heater? What does that mean? Your wife takes a shower, but all of a sudden no hot water. Your fault. Obviously your fault. So go hug your water heater. Take a look at it. Make sure it works good. If it does not, give us a call. Rico with Rudy's Plumbing. Thank you.
Thanks, Rico. Tony.
Tony DeGravina, Cardex Merchant Services, www.c.a.r.d.x.com. Businesses now have a choice to keep all of the purchase amount with CardX zero cost credit. Increased profits up to 4% with zero cost credit. Credit card fees go up twice a year. We do not have early termination fees. If you're tired of paying the high cost with credit card acceptance, reach out to me. Tony DeGravina, Founders Chapter, Monrovia, California.
Thanks, Tony. Yo.
Good morning, BNI. Yo from Homer's Auto Service. We are a family business located in Monrovia, California. My ask for this week is if you, a family member, coworker, or friend is planning a road trip this summer, please stop by the shop. Let me check out the cooling system before you go. You don't want to be on the side of the road with a small $10 broken hose. If I can help you with that, let me know. Yo from Homer's Auto. Thank you.
Thank you, Yo. Okay. We are going to now find out who was paying attention. Great job, everybody. All right, judging by that music, it's now time to play Who Was Listening. That's right. One lucky workshop attendee will win the opportunity to give a second 30-second presentation, but if and only if they can recount the ask of a co-member. So I'm going to give this wheel a spin and see who is on deck today. Round and round she goes. Who is it going to be? It's Jeanette. Unmute yourself, Jeanette. Ah, big smile. That's great. All right. I'm going to click it again. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Oh, that's a tough one. Bob Helving, what did Bob ask for today?
Bob looking for older buildings and difficult buildings. He's got a ductless mini split that can get into difficult areas and can give you a comfortable home and a nice air in places that you wouldn't have had it before.
Bob.
Perfect. She did a great job. Thank you, Jeanette.
You're welcome.
All right, Jeanette, good job. Now, because you did that so well, we're going to give you an extra 30 seconds. Go ahead.
Your home is an integral part of your mental and emotional well-being. We've all learned that the last year and a half. And having a home that reflects your energy, your personality is a really important part of creating a home you love to live in. I have a personal design blueprint. When you know what that is, you can decorate anything with ease. It helps make all your design decisions easy. If you want to know what your blueprint is, give me a call, thecolorwhisperer.com. Thanks.
Thanks, Jeanette. Good job. Now, that's basically how the wheel works. How many of you feel that this might be a good addition to your chapter? All right. Okay. There are some keys to success I want to share with you. If you follow these, everything should work effectively. Number one, make sure there's a complete roster of all registered members available for downloading purposes, and you can always email that to the members before the meeting. Make announcement right as you begin the members' weekly presentation portion of the meeting. The wheel music should come up right after the last visitor or guest has made their presentation. And this is the critical one. You want to read the wheel music script. This should be a high energy read. Act as a game show host. The president does not have to run the wheel. It can be any member who is comfortable playing the part. You're going to spin the wheel, read the script, spin again, sit back and enjoy the fun. After the winner has been given their second weekly presentation, thank everyone for playing and move on to the VP report. Now, I have a bonus for attending this workshop. Are you ready? Here it is. We will make for you a customized prize wheel for your chapter. So all I really would need is alphabetized Word document with all the members. I just need their names. You do have to give me a minimum. You do have to have a chapter with at least 10 members. We really can't do anything for less than 10 members. And that is it. I will email it to you. And now it's time for any Q&As.
How much time do you have to spend on a weekly basis for this?
Say that again.
How much time do you spend on a weekly basis for this?
Once the wheel's ready, you don't spend any time at all.
What do you do if you pick a member and he was not, or she was not paying attention, or was next up from that speaker? What do you do in that case?
That person does not get to give a second weekly presentation, but the person whose name the wheel lands on will get to do it in their place.
Thank you very much, sir. You're good.
Okay. Anybody else? All right. That was easy. If there aren't any other questions, I want to thank you all for attending. You can reach me at mark@catspecialties.com, phone number 626-966-8250, and we are done. Have a great day. Thank you all.